Hello, my friend. I'm Sue Chemnitz. Welcome. I'm so glad you wandered by my studio today, and we're going to be taking a little jaunt in the garden with the ladies, so to speak. We're planting some seeds today. I want to share with you what Playful Garden Antics is all about. In sketching the ladies, we gained confidence in sketching, and we practiced. In this workshop, we're going to be exploring color. In other words, we'll be coloring. You will learn in a fun way some basic painting techniques to add to your ladies. We will sketch them first, quickly, and then we'll stroll down the garden path, growing some loosey-goosey paint techniques, highlighting with pencil, inktense, and otherwise. You can paint your acrylics, you can paint using acrylics or watercolors. The ladies will blossom and have a whimsical feel, a little loose, yet adding some details to make them pop. Warm colors and cool colors, simply lots of colors. We'll be mulling over some of their stories. What are they whispering to you? All of this keeping a playful and joyful attitude. In addition to sketching these playful garden ladies, I've included a couple of sheets of whimsical woohoos that can be found in the garden. I believe that we all need beauty in our day, a little joy, and certainly creativity. So in these 8 weeks, we're going to take some creative time for ourselves. Each week, a new little lady will pop into your email box and we'll paint them together. I hope you've enjoyed this snippet. You can register for Playful Garden Antics at bit.ly/SK Playful. It's on your screen. See you soon. Toodles and God bless.